Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're feeling safe and well. I'm so excited about today's video because I have my very first ever Fendi bag unboxing. If you guys watched one of my previous videos, my luxury lockdown lossless video, I mentioned that I was after a Fendi Peekaboo in the mini size black nappa leather with gold hardware. Now the bag I'm going to unbox today is a Fendi Peekaboo with a twist. I think it's gorgeous, but I'm yet to meet it and we're going to meet this bag together. I would love to know your opinions on it. So in today's video we're going to unbox it together, go over the specs, go over where I purchased it from, which website I got it from, and the pricing. Before this lockdown I was not into Fendi. I was not into the Fendi Peekaboo. I just couldn't understand the bag, and like I know that there's like a following, there's a hype around it, but now I understand it. I get it. It might be a chip chatty sort of video, so make sure you grab yourself a drink or a snack. I'm just having a glass of wine. Cheers! Before I jump right in, I'd just like to introduce myself for those of you who are new. My name is Kim. Hello, and I love to make videos on luxury bags, jewelry, fashion. If you love luxury like I do, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join the family and click on the notification bell so every single time I upload a new video you don't miss out. And in the next 1 to 3 videos I'm going to do a giveaway as well because I'm so close to hitting 5k. You know, during this really difficult time in lockdown, I just wanted to make someone happy and just give back because I love luxury and I just love sharing things with you guys. You guys are just amazing. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into this unboxing. So it came in this huge box. I've purchased from this website once before. I purchased a Maison Michel hat and the sizing was a bit too small, so I did return it. This is my second purchase from this website. I'll unbox it and then we'll get into the details. So excited. All right, I'll just flip it this way. So let's open the box. How cute is that? So this is one of their signature boxes and you can choose plain packaging or their signature packaging. This is where I got it from, 24s.com. Now if you haven't heard of 24s, this is a huge department store in Paris. It's the Bon Marche store. So this is their online store. They call it 24s, which is 24 Sèvres. It's just down the road from the Hermès Sèvres store. I'll just take this box out. This is massive. Alright, so I can't take the box out because it's huge. It doesn't come in a Fendi box, but it just comes like that. I was hoping it would come in a Fendi box, but that's okay. It's wrapped in some tissue paper. And then this is the bag. And that is it. Yeah, so it's a bit chilly here, so I'm just wearing my acne scarf. I live in these are stunning. Just need to grab myself another drink because I'm so excited yet so nervous. I'm quite disappointed it didn't come with a Fendi box, but yeah, anyway, let's have a drink. So excited. Okay, so here is the dust bag. It says Fendi Roma on the front, nothing on the back, and I can feel the bag. Oh my gosh. Let's just open the dust bag. All right, you guys ready? Ta-da! Wow, that is gorgeous. It is fully stuffed with tissue paper. Okay, so you've got the booklets and you've also got the Fendi raincoat. So I'm just going to take off this foam piece. Oh my gosh, this is quite cute, isn't it? All right, so I'll just introduce this bag to you guys. So this one is the Fendi Mini Peekaboo. And this one is in the new spring summer 2020 woven design. It's in this gorgeous like tan cognac color. It's a gorgeous classic. On the bottom here it's got the 4 feet, which the normal mini peekaboos do not have. So when I first saw this bag, it reminded me of the Bottega Veneta classic intrecciato bag. I saw a clip video on Instagram of how they hand wove this and it just made me fall in love with the craftsmanship of it. So this bag was listed on 24s at 2 price points, one which was the full retail price and one which was like a wrong price. So one was 7,200 and one was 5,865. I paid 5,865. My Amex card had a promotion where you can get 10% cash back into my account, so I got 10% off, and then 24s had 10% credit to your 24s account, which I can use on another bag. Also with cash cash rewards, I was able to get 6.5% cash back as well. So I saved another 345 Australian dollars on this as well. So all up, this bag came out to be about 4,900. It's less than 5,000, which is great for a brand new 2020 Fendi bag. So you've got the top handle, which is quite versatile. Wear it, you know, on the crook of your arm, handheld, or on the shoulder, or crossbody. And this bar here just makes it look really expensive. And then it's quite an easy access bag, so you can put your hand in easily and access the bag. Undo the bag and leave the bag open, which means that you can fit a lot more in here. When you open this up, it's got the zippered compartment, and then it's got a little metal tab here that says Fendi made in Italy. You've got a zippered compartment which you can slide in some cash or cards or something little, and then on this side you have a little slip pocket, and in this slip pocket it's got the little card which says, you know, I've never heard anything bad about Fendi's quality. It's a great sort of summer bag because it's got that weave vibe to it. It's all like rattan but full leather. So I've got my Hermes Calvi card holder in Rose Beaupré. Love this colour, it's stunning. It's in the chevreau goatskin leather. So I put that in there so you can sort of see what's inside. I'll put my phone in here as well. It makes the bag quite weighty. I love the design, I love the style, the size is great. However, with this bag, when you close the turn lock, this bag twists. Can you see how this bar here does not align with this? It's supposed to be like that. I don't know if it's the way that they weaved it. Maybe it's just this particular one. You can see that this one is way off center. So when I do close up the clasp, it's not going to close up straight. I'll just close it up so you can sort of see. It's sort of, you have to sort of push it to one side and then clasp it up. And this side is the same, like you have to pull it to this side. Maybe it's because it's a woven bag, it's like that. So you can sort of see it sort of pulls along here. This side is not as bad, but yeah, this is fully twisted. You can see that. What should I do? Should I just return it and just go for the black one, or should I keep this because it was such a great price and get the black one as well later down the track? At first when I saw this bag online, I thought it was a bit weird because you've got that sort of, this doesn't attach to anything, like these ends, and I thought it looked a bit weird, but I love the design of it. I just think it's, the Fendi Peekaboo is so amazing, and it adds a little bit of something different to my bag collection. I know that I will use this one a lot because it's one of those bags where you just want to grab and go and like just chuck stuff in and it will look amazing and just add a little bit of extra dimension to an outfit. And I love this strap because it's adjustable. It's thin, so it makes it a little bit more dressier. But also you can purchase other straps and like dress up this bag. So you've got this Fendi little raincoat. Oh my gosh. I thought it'd be a thick plastic, but this is extremely thin. It feels like rubber. So place this on the bag like that. That is so adorable, and it's super lightweight. So when it rains, you just pop it on your bag like that, which is cute, right? You see, this is Fendi there. So I had a little bit more of a play with this bag, and to me, this bag is such a classic. It goes so well with my wardrobe. It looks extremely expensive and premium. It's a great twist to a classic. It creates a little bit of intrigue to an outfit. I love the colorway. It's extremely stunning. And I love it that not many people have this bag, and I'm so glad that I came across this bag. Fendi Australia does not stock this colorway. They only stock like the light baby pink, but this color is beautiful. It goes well with like a really nice camel coat and like, you know, a really nice neutral outfit. It adds that little extra something and it just stands out. It looks beautiful. Imagine like a white summer dress, you know, or a floral dress in summer, or like an all white outfit, or like what I'm wearing today. It looks stunning. I love it. It's definitely going to be a keeper in my collection. Other than that, I just love this bag. I think it's beautiful. Adds a little bit of something different to my collection, and I love how simple, understated and classic it is. So I'd love to know your thoughts on the Fendi Peekaboo, especially this one. Are you a Fendi Peekaboo lover? I can't wait to get into using it because I've been missing like a plain type of all leather bag in my collection. Something that I can just enjoy for years and years to come. So I love this. It's absolutely beautiful. And if you haven't done so already and you did enjoy this video, you do love Fendi, you do love luxury, do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. Please stay tuned until next time. I will see you in my next video. Bye!